Hey guys, it's Brandy. Why in my background? I'm at Madre's house right now. Just my hair is up in a mini ponytail. I thought it was still bit if you don't think it's cute. I will sing Hey Delilah by the Playmate Tubes. And yeah, if you hear any weird noises, it's just Madre's computer. Hey. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right here if you get lonely. Give this song another listen, close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Sorry. Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe my girl someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar, we'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would, my word's good. Hey there, Delilah, I've got so much just left to say, if every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me, you'd fall. You'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars, and I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. Well, I can promise you, by the time we get through, the world will never ever be the same. You're to blame. Hey there, Delilah, you'll be good and don't you miss me. I'll 2 more years and you'll be done school and I'll be making history like I do. You'll know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. Oh, oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Oh, whoa, 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 oh, oh. Thanks. There's obviously a cat in the background. Thanks, guys. Like, comment,